Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. So we have like this. So this one we have s, this one we have negative s, s to the power of negative number 1. Now, so we have s multiplied by this one, and we have like this. Now, we can use about integration by parts. So I will put this one. So I will put about u equals to s squared plus 1 over number 2. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, so we have 2s over number 2 ds. This one we have 2s after we do first derivative. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Number 2 divided by number 2, we have number 1. dv that is about e to the power of negative s. So the integration of this one, we have negative e to the power of negative s. So we have u multiplied by v minus, we have the u multiplied by v, so negative and negative, we have positive, and now we have the integration s e to the power of negative s ds. Now we can use about integration by parts again, and this one that is about s. So we know that we have u multiplied by v minus, we have the u multiplied by v, so negative and negative, we have positive, and now we have the integration e to the power of negative s ds. So the integration of this one, we have negative e to the power of negative s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.